Hi K lovers, how are you? Here we are to talk about the Power Recovery Ampoule. The Power Recovery Ampoule is an incredible tool that you, hairdresser, should have at your place. In combination of the SOS recovery, it will return lice, it will definitely reconstruct a damaged, elastic, breaking, a hair that is in a horrible condition. The directions of how to use both of them you can easily download in the website, or you can call us and we will send the directions to you. How this works? You are going to open the ampoule. It's easily open. It has 15 mils. So you are going to open this ampoule. You are going to turn into the bowl, add double the amount of lukewarm cold water, mix, and when you start mixing, you will see that it will create a cream, a shine cream. So after preparing this cream, you are going to apply over the hair from the roots to the ends. Use a comb to distribute evenly, to leave for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse it out, and that's it. You will see the difference after you apply the Power Recovery Ampoule. When can you use the Power Recovery Ampoule? You can use, as I said, when you want to combine with the SOS recovery, or when you are doing a chemical procedure, such as a coloring or a bleaching. You can apply after, when the hair became dull, dry, lifeless. When you finish the procedure and you are not happy with the final result, especially in terms of smoothness and shine. You can also use the ampoule after the nanoplasty. So after the iron step, when the hair became drier than it was supposed to, or especially the middle and the ends, they became crispy, or you overheat the hair, or you pass the iron more times than you should, you can use the ampoule. So instead of applying the mask and the conditioner that we recommend after the nanoplasty, you can apply only the ampoule, leave for 10-15 minutes, rinse it out, and blast dry. If you have more questions about the ampoule or any other of our products, contact us. It will be a pleasure explaining them. And if you still don't follow us on our social medias, Facebook, Instagram. All right, that's it. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.